this is Don from Life's Journeys, and just got to the Conrad Dubai and checking into room 4006. So let's take a look and see what we've got. It was a long flight, so literally just got here. So main entrance. We've got a mirror over here. We can check. So there's okay. We've got a closet just inside the entry door. There's a safe that is opens up. There we go. So good size safe, laptop size. So it can cover that. Iron and ironing board and 3 shelves. Come around the corner to the right here, we've got luggage spot and then a closet. We got robe, we got some slippers, fair amount of hangers. Looks like an extra pillow up top as well. And continue into the bathroom. So we got a bathtub that can see through the bedroom. There's a blind up top, so that'll take care of that. It's a nice tub. I'll go in, you can see it's not long, but it's fairly deep. There's a volume control and a blind control. Shower. You got rain head up top, handheld amenities. There's another robe in here. And the sink, double sinks, granite counter. So amenities, dental kit, shaving kit, vanity kit, shower cap. And then to the water closet with toilet and bidet. And so let's head back out here to check out the main part of the room. And so here it is. This is a King Skyline room on the 40th floor, so it's a high floor. So that was my, I think the hotel's fairly full one of the nights of my stay. So this was my Hilton Gold upgrade, was to a high floor room. There's a little makeup desk and vanity. This looks like just almost looks like a big corkboard background, or backboard to it. Television's here. We've got 3 normal sized drawers, good sized drawers. So lots of room for storage. Refrigerator that is empty, so mini fridge. You can I guess put in your own stuff. And there's a kettle and some glassware. We've got a Krups coffee maker with a small selection of teas and coffees. I think there's some complimentary water. Let's check out at the desk here. What we've got, there's, in terms of ports, we got an HDMI, USB, some audio, a couple of electrical outlets. Nice little amenity item. So that looks good. Look forward to trying that later. And let's see what we've got as a view outside. If I can, there we go. So we can look down. Sheikh Zayed Road is there. The Dubai Metro station is right across the street. And then view off to central Dubai, where the Dubai Mall is down that way. Can't see it very well with the other buildings in the way, I don't think. So we get the 2 chairs, bedside table with touch controls for everything. Normal drawer. Bed, nice white linens. Leaning on it feels a bit soft, but not terrible. And then on the other side is just a clock radio, alarm clock. And that looks to be your tour of room 4006 at the Conrad Dubai. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks very much, and may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.